SARURA kids. Alright, I've got everything I need. I've got my luggage ready, I've closed all the doors, I've got everything ready. Is that the time already? Oh no, I better go. What? I only put about 2 or 10 or 20 things in there, but I can't get this thing to move. Yeah. I can't get this thing to move. I can't get this thing. Yeah. Feels like I put rocks in here. Okay. All right. We'll have to do this the hard way. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. And look, I'm already late. I'm really late. I better go. You know what? Since I can't get this thing to move, I'm getting out of here. I don't care if I get hungry or I don't get any clothes. This won't even budge. I'm getting out of here. See ya.